Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use onboard credit Carnival, right? So to do this, you have to first of all, before you cruise, check your onboard credit balance through the Carnival website or the Carnival Hub app. So this is the website here. So you have to just go to the login, which you can see here. And once you go to login here, you will get this option to enter your email address and your password and get into the Carnival here. Right, so once you're inside, onboard credit card can typically be used for a variety of purchases, including spa treatment, shore or specialty dining, and onboard shopping. So you can just plan how you can use it, right? Then once on board, simply make your purchase as you normally would. And this is how you can just use it like how you use it in a normal life, right? And after that, you can just verify the changes. Regularly check your onboard account through the Carnival Hub app or through these, website to ensure that onboard credit is being applied correctly. At the end of the cruise, any remaining onboard credit will be applied to your final bill. If your onboard credit exceed your total expenses, some crews may refund the remaining balance, but this is not guaranteed by the way. But I hope you found this information very useful.